Hello, friends. Welcome back to Indigo October with Candace. So, today I'm going to attempt to do two pretty springtime blooms. So, I'm not sure how it's going to come out because I've never done a bloom before. But what I plan on doing is putting a pigment in each of these, which is going to be the pigment of ginger yellow and a pigment of light green by Let's Resin. I want to go ahead and put those in the perimeter, pour clear in the middle, and then put my alcohol inks in the middle as well, and have maybe like a swirly type of center. Um, I don't plan on putting Sinker White in here because I'm going to have that perimeter on it. So we're going to go ahead and start mixing up some resin, guys. Okay, so we now have 8 ounces mixed up. Each of these coasters may take about 4 ounces each, but I do have 8 ounces total, so I may have extra, I may not. I'm not sure yet. Um, but what I'm going to do is pour off 2 ounces each into each one of these. And I'm going to go ahead and put that in the debubbler along with the clear resin. And we will be back, guys. Okay, what I'm going to do is put this ginger yellow pigment in by Let's Resin. It's an opaque resin pigment. And I'm going to put that around the edges of my bloom. I'm going to put about, I don't know, 10 drops. I didn't realize that this wasn't open. Hello, Earth to Candace. Well, let's go. Okay, that was about 10 drops, guys. Let's see what that does. You want to get that mixed in really, really well. Okay. Looks just like a ginger yellow to me. Just like a ginger yellow. And it's opaque. That's what we need. All right. Gonna get this wiped off. We're gonna come and back, do the same thing here with this beautiful light green color. It says light green, y'all. It's more like a blue if you ask me. But, I mean, if they say it's green, it's, I'll go with green. All right. 10 drops here as well. Okay. That was about 10 drops. Gonna go ahead and get that mixed up. A little bit more. I'd say that's good. So guys, now we are going to put all of this resin in the debubbler, and we're going to let all those bubbles out of there. Okay, everything is ready and out of the debubbler. So we're going to go ahead and start pouring. I don't know how that got under there. A little bit of resin. All right. We're going to do our sunflower, well, not sunflower, but our yellow flower first. So we're going to go all the way around the perimeter. It's my first time, y'all, so I'm kind of nervous. We're going to go all the way around with the collar. Okay, let's see. Get that clear in the middle. Okay. Now we're going to get our alcohol inks in here. So for this one, I have dark walnut, I have medium yellow, and I have orange. So we're going to start with the darker colors in the middle first, and then we're going to go out with the lighter. My camera kind of messed up a little bit, so I had to restart it, and I am back. So now that we have our yellow and our clear poured, I want to go ahead and get our alcohol inks in there. So I'm going to start with the dark walnut in the middle. Okay, apparently it, gosh, that makes a mess. Makes a mess when you open these alcohol inks. I'm going to put one drop in the middle. Okay, and then we're going to go to the orange. Okay. And from the orange, we're going to do the medium yellow. Oh, that's one I thought I had open. Guess not. Now I do. Okay. Ew, that's not pretty. Well, not yet at least. Let me put one more of the dark walnut in the middle, because it's kind of doing what it wants to do, which is what alcohol inks do. Okay, so now I want to put the ocean white. Now, looks like I need a little bit more orange too, don't I? All right. So let's see here. Gonna put a little bit of ocean white in here. Just a drop. It's so thick. Okay. I'm gonna get that mixed up. That's the little bit of white I had, of clear I had left. I'm gonna go ahead and use that for my white pigment. Okay. Get that mixed up really well. Okay. It's all sinking. Wait. Y'all, listen. I've never done this before, so wait. I'm going to just pour it straight out of the cup. How about that? Where's it going? This is not going to be, oh my gosh, this is going to be a mess. Okay, y'all, I don't know what happened, but I think my camera is running out of memory. It is the next day, and these babies are cured. I did have a little extra left over that I decided to just pour into a flower mold and make a magnet, so we can unmold that one first. And that's how that came out. I'm going to just put a couple of magnets on the back of it. That's the back. And now for our flowers, our blooms. So this was the bloom I said I wanted to give it sunflower colors. Let's see how the front came out. I just realized I domed it and I didn't think about, back coating it. So, all right, guys, this is me seeing it for the first time with y'all. Okay, we have, wow, major blobs. Well, that's that. I still like it. I like the back though. The back came out a lot better. I should have probably used the Sinker white to bring the alcohol inks down. The only thing that sunk was the actual white pigment. So, lessons to be learned. Gonna use this side for this coaster mold. I'm sure this one didn't come out much different. Let's see. Lessons to be learned, guys. Lessons to be learned. Let's see. Da-da-da-da. Hey. That's not terribly bad, but again, I should have used a sinker to bring it down because you can see the blobs in there. And I didn't use a lot of white pigment at all. I don't know what happened. See, this one you can surely see the blobs in there. But look how pretty the back is. Oh, it's so pretty. It bloomed on the back, but not the front. So next time I will definitely use Sinker colors, the Sinker white, I'm sorry. So these are your two coasters, two blooms. They didn't come out that great on the front, but you know, I'm just getting started, so it's a hard lesson to learn. All right, guys, until next time, y'all have a wonderful day, a wonderful evening, and or a wonderful night. And I will see you guys again soon. Bye.